Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the text size on the Apple Watch 7. So let's go back to your settings and press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. On the clock face, press on the crown button on the side here, and this will take you to the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon, and you want to go down and tap on display and brightness. Next, go down and tap on text size. Then you can either tap on the small button here to increase or decrease the text size. You can also use the crown button to move up and down. So move the crown button up or down to change the text size. Alright, so make the necessary changes, and then you can tap on the back key here to go back to your settings, or press on the crown button to go back to the watch face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.